Thank you to Amaze for sponsoring today's video.
Two?
Yeah, two big ones. They're slippery, huh? They want to get away. Oh no! What was that? He just sprayed, he just went pee or something. Hiro, did he pee on you? He was going your direction.
Let me get some.
Oh, no problem at all.
Disgusting. See a big one right here?
You got a big one in there?
Yeah, but they look really bad.
Okay.
He's scary.
I don't like this guy. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you.
So,
And to our good friend here.
What's up, everybody? Hello,
All right.
hello. Happy
Hello.
to be here.
hey, yes, we are back.
I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little nervous.
I know. Me too.
You too?
Yeah,
Hiro
this-
loves this. We know.
No, I mean, this guy's very tough one. This guy's very tough.
Okay.
You know?
Let's show everyone what we're talking about.
Oh man.
Guga, you ready?
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous because I've actually never experienced anything like this. You know. So
We have two live eels. We're gonna make something on our channel. I know you're gonna make something for your Sous Vide channel.
yes, very much so. I've been wanting to. I love to eat eels, but I never had experience actually live or cooking it, how to prepare it. I'm excited to find out how Hiro does it.
And I can't wait to see how you sous vide it, how the tenderness of the meat's gonna be as well.
We're gonna find out real
Okay.
shortly.
Hiro, you ready?
Yeah,
Both
ready.
of you grab one. Let's show everyone what we
Just
have
like
here.
that?
Just like that.
Are you crazy?
Just like that.
Okay, first question, and I know a lot of people would probably ask, do they bite?
I don't believe so. I haven't seen
do
any
they have
teeth.
Bite.
Oh, Hiro!
No,
I know Taekwondo, but this don't matter.
this guy's not a bite you.
No, they're not gonna bite. Just grab right underneath the head. It's gonna, of course, trying to. Yeah, we want to show everyone how big they are because we couldn't even see them when they were picking them out for
It's
us.
a little slimy here, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
The body is kind of slimy, so you really need to
Hold it tough?
Hold it tight.
How do you do it here? Teach
Let me
please.
do first one.
Yeah.
No, you both got to do it at the same time. Just grab it right underneath the head.
I'm just gonna do the wipe off for you. Maybe you can grab that. Just
Oh my goodness.
a little bit to making
Yeah, my reaction.
easier.
Man. Oh.
Yeah. This one's very.
Oh wow, they're very light.
Yeah. Anyway,
Hiro.
yeah, slimy everywhere. So
Oh,
okay, let's go.
Okay,
What
come
do
on,
you mean,
guys.
Let's go. No preparation. Let's just go.
Okay, come on, Guga, go for it. You're a big guy. Come on. Yeah, see, Hiro's got it. Imagine winning this beautiful home valued at $130,000. Where would you go? Where would you take it? It's time to dream big and do it tiny. Those late nights Pinteresting mood boards. Imagine an escape from the city to the lakeside fishing hideaway or that chic desert oasis perfect for stargazing. This is your wildest tiny home fantasy that came to life. Or perhaps you've got that enterprising bug and you want to build your very own stylish backyard ADU. We're excited to be working with Amaze to offer you the chance to winning a $130,000 custom tiny home from True Form Tiny and support a great cause, the National Park Foundation. As an official nonprofit partner of the National Park Service, the National Park Foundation generates private support and builds strategic partnerships to protect and enhance America's national parks for present and future generations. The National Park Foundation works to protect wildlife and parklands, preserve history and culture, educate and engage youth, and connect people everywhere to the wonder of parks. This is definitely something we get behind. So what are you waiting for? We know you can dream it. Now this is your chance to do it. So for your chance to winning a $130,000 custom tiny home from True Form Tiny, go to amaze.com/Hiroyuki and enter now. Donations support the amazing work of the National Park Foundation.
I'm thinking it's a snake. That's my problem.
Yes.
It's not a
It's a
snake,
fish.
bro. Just grab it on the head. Go.
Right underneath the head. Come
Right
on.
there, bro. Right there.
Correct.
Go for
it.
There you go.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
it's
hold it
super
up.
slimy. Hold on a second. Okay.
Okay, all right. Lift it up. Let's see.
It's,
Hold it up.
oh,
Hold it up.
it's
Come on, you guys go.
opening its
Get,
head.
come on, get together, guys. Look here. How's it?
It's very strong, Hiro.
Hiro-san, look here.
It's a
Hiro,
very-
you told me it's strong.
Strong,
it's
right?
Very strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the hell is happening over here?
I think you're scaring it.
Okay, stop it. Hiro, this is a very interesting experience, I gotta say, everybody. So you're probably wondering, what does it feel like? The skin is extremely hard, and it's built like a truck, right? This thing is jacked, everybody. That's basically what I'm trying to say. And even though it feels like a snake, even the skin also, when you look at it, feels like a snake. It did not try to bite me, so that's a good thing. I mean, look at it, everybody. This is some very interesting thing, and I'm very happy that Hiro is putting this to this experience. The skin is extremely slimy, right? So every time you touch it, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. It actually holds to my finger itself. So very interesting. You see its gills breathing right there, which is quite interesting. And yeah, I mean, I gotta be honest with you. It's like a snake, but in the water.
Yeah.
So how are we gonna prepare this, Hiro?
So first I'm gonna do cuts and open and then making fillet, and then next one I'm gonna do cut into the maybe 3 inches to 4 inches, and then after I'm gonna do deep fry and then stir fry. 3 step.
Very interesting.
good.
So stay tight.
Oh. There you go.
That's what you're kosher.
Okay. I'm going to take off the this bone. So I'm gonna start cutting smaller, and salt and pepper and cornstarch and deep fry first.
Okay.
Then after, you can see the all the ingredients here.
Okay, what do we have?
I have a scallion, ginger, sesame oil, sambal, honey, and a little bit of hondashi.
Okay.
And slices of garlic. This is the XO sauce. This is anyway dry scallops included. Okay, butter, salt, pepper, mirin, soy sauce, and sake.
Okay. All right, very nice, Hiro.
For some reason, I really like that last ingredient, everybody. Sounds really good.
Makes everything better.
Don't know why, but sounds really good.
And anyway, I have a gift for you.
Really?
I have some gift. I mean, XO sauce.
I
have a one whole container. So.
I've never seen that in my
So-
life, Hiro. And I love when I never seen an
Yeah, I want to-
ingredient. And wow, this is interesting. Smell fishy.
Yeah, because this is dry scallops.
Oh, okay. But there's a lot more than just scallops, right?
Main ingredient is scallops, and of course some secret ingredients in
Secret
here for
ingredient.
sure.
Very fishy, everybody. Smells great, though. Smells really good.
Yeah, maybe you can do with beef.
That's dry aged.
Dry aged with
The
this.
dry aged man is going to make it happen, everybody. Let's do it. Dude, you got a lot of ingredients. I'm excited to see how this is going to taste, Hiro.
I go with that, like that.
Oh yeah, so a little cornstarch, vegetable
Yeah.
oil. Give us for the temperatures. Normally we're like around 375.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Very fast, huh? Hiro?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook one more time in the wok. So
Ah, okay. The first one to get crispy.
yeah, just crispy and like 80%. Now we are cook.
You ready?
Now we cook, baby. Let's go.
With ginger, we got garlic.
Ginger and the garlic. Sambal.
It'll work for that, huh? All that.
Smells even better now.
Little bit of butter.
So we cook the white part first, right?
Yeah, white part. This part first.
Yeah.
And if you have a carrot or something, same time, because a little bit hard, you know, like whatever you cook asparagus or something. And this is the sake. Okay, now we're gonna put the eel. Ready? Guys, ready?
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Nice.
Give it a Hondashi. Mirin and soy sauce. And honey. Then XO.
Oh, this is a magic ingredient for today.
And a little bit of sesame oil.
I gotta say, that looks a lot better than when you brought it the first time. That looks delicious.
So
wow.
from that eel all the way to this dish, right?
Oh, look at that. I mean, come on. This looks delicious, everybody.
I can tell you from here it smells amazing.
I cannot wait to give this a try.
You excited?
Oh, I am. I am very much so. I had eel, but only like a sushi style.
one.
Not never like this. Ever like this.
Right. All right, dig in, guys. Enjoy.
Let's go.
Yep, let's
Dig
go.
in. A little bit of everything, Hiro?
Yeah, a little bit
A
everything.
little bit of everything. Cheers, Hiro.
Cheers.
Thank you, my friend. Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah, this is
so tender.
tender, right?
Wow. Super tender.
Yeah.
I'm surprised how tender it is.
Is it spicy at all with that XO sauce?
Not too much. It's just like tasty spicy. Not like
But
spicy
not
gonna
very
kick your butt.
spicy.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's good, Hiro.
Yeah.
I'll go for seconds, and I normally don't go for seconds. And this garlic right here, this little bit of this garlic, little bit of the onions, everything combined together. And if I can get it, there you go. Cheers.
Today's dish, I included the XO sauce.
Yes.
Yes, so I have a plate for Guga.
Oh, nice.
I want to try the XO sauce
Okay.
for the edged beef.
Nice.
So next video.
We're gonna dry age
Yes.
it, and I'm gonna
Yeah,
make
please.
sure that you come here and
Yeah.
we try this together. Thank you, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for bringing this to my house. Thank you for letting me experience the eel for the first time live. Never seen it, everybody. That was literally insane. Well, you guys watched it. And at the same time, in the end, turned out an amazing dish. Absolutely delicious. If you guys have a chance to make this at home, do it.